In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Woocommerce orders in just 5 minutes. We'll be guiding you through this process step by step, ensuring clarity along the way. Let's begin by navigating to WordPress.com. This is the central hub where you can manage all your website functions, including your Woocommerce store. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. Look for the Login button, which should be easily identifiable on the home page. Clicking this will direct you to the WordPress login page where you enter your credentials. In case you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center. Everything you need to manage your site is here, laid out in a menu on the left-hand side. What you're looking for next is the Plugins section. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page. Plugins are nifty tools that add new features to your WordPress site. And today, we're looking to add a plugin that will help us with order importation. Once you're on the Plugins page, locate the Add Plugin button. This is where you'll be able to search for and install new plugins to your site. After clicking Add Plugin, you will see a search bar. In this search bar, type Order Import Export. This is the plugin we'll be using today to efficiently import your Woocommerce orders. As soon as you hit Enter, a list of plugins will appear. Look for the Order Import Export plugin in the list. It's important to choose the right plugin, so ensure the name matches exactly. Once found, click on its name to get a brief overview and details about the plugin. This helps confirm you're selecting the right tool for your task. Next, you'll see the option to install. Click on it, and the installation process will begin. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once it's installed, the button will change to Activate. Activation is crucial as it makes the plugin functional on your site. Click Activate, and you're all set. Now, with the Order Import Export plugin up and running, you can seamlessly import orders into your Woocommerce store without a hitch. This tool will save you a substantial amount of time and ensure efficiency in managing your orders. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward in setting up your Woocommerce order imports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.